When I started 10 years ago, there was only me and another female ranger. Now, at one point, there was 50% of my team was female. It's definitely changing mentalities. I think it's part of the role attracted me was not to be put in a category because of my gender and not to be deterred to follow your passion. In the last 10 years, I've definitely seen that peatland restoration has moved up the agenda. Now it's our main focus in the winter months. And you can see that it's become nationally and internationally significant, whereas before it felt like we were trying to persuade people that it was something we should be doing. I hoped in the next 5 to 10 years to see an expansion of the conservation work we're delivering and an improvement in the work that we're doing, that you can visually see the effects it's having on the wildlife and the health of our moors.